This Coldwell Banker Elite, Realtors property video is presented by James Keeton. This newly remodeled 3-bedroom 1-bath home in a nice neighborhood has everything one needs to feel right at home. It has a new roof, new wiring, new flooring, paint inside and out, lovely kitchen, central air and heat, not to mention the covered front porch for waving at your neighbors as they pass by. This is a great buy for the money. Please hurry, it may not be on the market long. For more information, review the details below or contact James Keeton at 903-832-2495.